I'm going to start putting some tin up on the roof and screwing it down. Oh, and what I'll be doing is kind of looking through this and finding pieces of tin that are in better shape. For example, here's one with a bad end on it, so I might cut the bad end off. It's going to be so that one piece of tin won't go the entire length of the roof. So it's, if I do wind up cutting an end off, I'll probably still have plenty. Plus, I can take a piece like this one and cut this off, and where the walls are only about 7 feet tall, I can still use what's left to fit in there. I'm gonna need some gloves this morning, so might as well go get me some. Oh boy, this is where the good stuff starts happening. Yeah, it is. Well, it's raining, and I'm kind of okay with working in the rain, but I'm not okay with y'all being out there. Because y'all are too expensive to be getting wet and getting ruined because I left you out in the rain. So I'm going to stick y'all in here somewhere. Maybe I'll put you over there where the John Deere is on the roof. Trying to put screws in various and sundry different places. What I'm thinking here is if we go like 5 feet, if I take these 10 pieces are 10 feet long, so if I cut a bunch of them 5 feet and overlay these ends. They're up here. And that'll get us well over where they need to go and get us to a point out there where there's something to put a screw into. So we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're going to need a dozen pieces 5 feet long. So that's my mission. That's the next thing on the list. Go cut me some tin. A dozen of them 5 feet long. Okay.